Our new phoneme is the sound P. But what does it look like when we write it down? This is what it looks like when we write it down. Its name is the letter P. Say P. To write the letter P, we start at the top where the starting star is. Place our pencil down and do one long line right down to the bottom, and we keep our pencil on and go back up again up to near the top, but instead of going to the top, we go around and back through to the middle. In this activity, you will choose words that begin with the letter P, which makes the sound P. You will listen carefully and then point to the picture that matches. Sandwich, possum. Point to the word that begins with the letter P. Were you correct? Point to the word that begins with the letter P. Pineapple or car. Which word begins with the letter P? Octopus or pencil? Is it pizza or burger that begins with P? Which word begins with P? Is it penguin or box? And finally, pan or star. Words are made up of phonemes. We can stretch those words out to hear each individual phoneme. I want you to listen for the P sound in different words I give you. Try to work out if it's the first phoneme, the middle, or the end phoneme. We will do the first one together. Stretch out the phonemes in the word pig. P, I, G. Where was the P sound? Stretch out the word tip to find where the P belongs. Where can you hear the P sound in the word pipe? Next, stretch out pan to find the P sound. Where is the letter P in the word tap? Find the place where P belongs in the word mop. Our new phoneme this week is P, and the letter P represents the sound P. To write the letter P on the lines, we need to start on the top black line where the yellow starting star is. Pencil down and do one straight line down to the bottom red line. Keep your pencil on and come up, and halfway between the two black lines we come forward, out and around, joining back on the middle line.